Hey everyone, Aditi Dubey here. Welcome back. Today, we are stepping into the future of cancer treatment, precision medicine. So far, we have seen cancer traits, mutations, blood vessels, metabolism. But what if we could stop fighting it with a one size fits all approach and start tailoring the fight to each person? That's what precision medicine is all about. Customizing our attack based on the unique profile of someone's cancer. It's personal, it's smart, and it's got me buzzing with excitement. Let's dive in. So, what's precision medicine? It's the idea that every cancer is different, not just lung cancer versus breast cancer, but your lung cancer versus someone else's. It's about zooming into the individual details. Instead of blasting every tumor with the same old chemo or radiation, we look at what is driving that cancer, its specific mutation, its quirks, and design a plan to hit it where it's weakest. It is like switching from a sledgehammer to scalpel. The focus is on the patient's cancer profile. Think of it as a fingerprint. No two are exactly alike, and that's our edge. How do we figure this out? Genetic sequencing is the star here. We take a sample of the tumor, crack open its DNA, and read the code. It's like decoding a secret message. What mutations are calling the shots? Machines spit out data, million of DNA letters, and we hunt for the troublemakers. A mutated EGFR in lung cancer, a BRAF glitch in melanoma, or a messed up BRCA in breast cancer. Once we spot these, we match them to targeted therapies, drugs built to attack those exact flaws. Sequencing's fast now too. Days, not months, and it's getting cheaper. It's not sci-fi. It's happening in clinics today, giving us a map to navigate each cancer's weak points. Let's talk success stories. One of my favorite is imatinib, brand name Gleevec, for chronic myeloid leukemia or CML. CML is driven by a mutation called BCR-ABL, a fusion gene that's like stuck on switch for cell growth. Before imatinib, CML was a death sentence. Chemo barely dented it. Then, in the late 90s, researchers designed imatinib to latch onto the exact protein and shut it down. Boom, game changer. Patients went from years to live to decades, popping a pill a day. I have met CML survivors who call it their miracle drug. Another example, trastuzumab, Herceptin, for breast cancers with too much HER2 protein. It's a snipper shot. Hit the overactive HER2 and spares the rest. These drugs aren't perfect. Resistance can creep in, but they have turned deadly cancers into manageable ones. That's powerful of targeting the right mutation. I'm so pumped about where this is going. Precision medicines just getting started. We are layering in more RNA profile, protein patterns, even the tumor's neighborhood, all to fine tune treatments. Imagine a future where we sequence your cancer the day you are diagnosed, whip up a custom cocktail of drugs, and maybe even tweak your immune system to join the fight. In the lab, I have seen tumors with weird mutations light up under sequencing, and I think we have got something for that now. It's not a cure for everyone yet. Cancer's too crafty, and not all mutations have drugs. But every year, we are adding tools to the kit. It's personal, it's precise, and it's hope in action. This is tailoring the fight, making it about you, not just cancer. Next time, we'll wrap up with the big picture, the future of cancer research. For now, picture a world where every patient gets a treatment as unique as they are. That's what keeps me buzzing. Let's make it happen. See you at the last one.